Making a miniature red velvet cake can be a delightful project. Here's a simplified recipe to create a small version of this classic dessert. Ingredients for the cake include all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, buttermilk, egg, red food coloring, vanilla extract, and white vinegar. For the cream cheese frosting, you'll need cream cheese, unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350° F. Grease and flour a small baking pan or line it with parchment paper. In a small bowl, sift together the dry ingredients and set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and bake for 15-20 minutes. While the cake's cool, prepare the cream cheese frosting by beating together the cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Once the cakes are cooled, frost them with the cream cheese frosting. Serve and enjoy your miniature red velvet cakes. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and measurements according to your preferences, and don't forget to have fun decorating them if you like.